If you need body work on your car in Honolulu, there's only one company to call. That's J&D Auto Body. They're located at 283 Kalihi Street, Honolulu, Hawaii. Their number 847-5593. They've been in the business for 42 years at the same location. They offer senior citizen and military discounts. J&D Auto Body does all types of body repair, all models, all makes. And all insurance is accepted. J&D Auto Body also offers free estimates. Their work speaks for itself. They are family-owned and operated, they're personable, friendly, and all work is guaranteed. J&D Auto Body offers island-wide service with towing available. They are so reliable they get referrals from other body shops. So contact J&D Auto Body today. They're located at 283 Kalihi Street in Honolulu. Call them 847-5593. That number, 847-5593. J&D Auto Body.